Alright, we're out here again trying the bridge pilings. We got big blue crabs. Current's a lot stronger today than what it was yesterday. So we're gonna hop from bridge to bridge piling, see if we can't get a black drum. After we do a few searches for them, we're gonna go try for some sheep's head over towards some docks over there. So while we're doing that, we're gonna work a little jig, gulp shrimp, see if we can't get on a redfish or two, and just try to catch anything. Really, today's just about catching something. Last couple days have been rough. So anyway, let's get to it. We got a fish here. I think we got a redfish. And he broke off. Well, crap. That happens. Oh, I got something. What is that? That is the world's biggest pinfish. That is not what we want to catch. Alright, buddy. If you want to be dumb, we'll do it this way. Get back. Alright. Well, that's not good. We don't want that. Second puffer on the jig. There's all kinds of fish coming by. And of course, we got fat puffer. I gotta get him de-hooked back in the water real quick. Man, you are fat and sassy. Of course, I have the stupid puffer on and a big school of big fish come by. Let's see if we can't get the jig down there real quick. This is in the way. Oh. Nope. Yep. We got him. Come on. Oh. Yeah, baby. Oh, he's pulling line. Woo, woo. He is really pulling some line. I think I feel some structure. Come on. Dang it, boy. Something else when you're fighting a big old fish out here. I feel him on some structure, I think. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta get him out of the structure. Oh. Come on, come on. Keep coming up. I think we got him out of it. I think we got him out. Camera's flopping all over the place, boy. Come on. I need you to give up. Give up. He's turning me all over the place. Oh, we should see him in a second. Oh, it's a big black drum. It's a big old black drum. And he's barely hooked. Whew. Whew. Back off the drag. Alrighty. I'm gonna try to get a lip lock on him. Gonna try to. Oh, got him. Oh, man. Whew. Look at that. We're gonna try to slide him in. Well, my leader wouldn't get hung. Got him in the boat. Whew, oh my God. That's the Minotaur executioner hook. I went with a little bit bigger hook this time. Look at that fish, man. It's another 30-40 pound fish, maybe bigger. He's not as big as the last one, but man, what a fight. Whew. Man, what a killer fight. Let's see if I can prop the camera up like this right here so y'all can see this puppy. Oh. Hear him drumming? Oh man, he's slimy. Whoop, 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 down he goes. Awesome.